Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to episode 3 of my product release series where I take you on the journey of me launching my new product. So today's episode is super exciting. Y'all, I think I'm finally going to be able to print these labels. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you go check out episodes 1 and 2. So you get a little backstory of why I'm so excited and why I just need to get this done. So I've been trying to print labels for these two here. As you can see, that says top coat and primer. So I have been trying to print those labels. Obviously, I can't send them out to people looking like that. So hopefully today we'll be able to print the labels. Y'all, look at this. I finally got the package, I think. So that's a huge box. But hopefully the ink for the printer is in that magical box there. Fingers crossed. I just want to get this checked off my list. Like, I don't know if y'all like me, but if I write something down and it's on my to-do list and I can't check it off, I get super irritable. So hopefully we can check that off the list today. I also need to go to my storage unit to do a little inventory check to see exactly what I have and what I still need. And also to try to get some of the clutter out of my office, y'all. I don't know about you, but when my space is cluttered, my mind is cluttered, y'all. And I just need a free mind. You know, I need to be able to work without feeling like my thoughts are cluttered. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And I also think I just want to like play in some acrylic. So I just feel like smelling the smell. You know when you go into the nail salon and you just instantly know you're in a nail salon. I kind of feel like I want that feeling today. So if I get all of my work done, I'm gonna reward myself by playing in some acrylic today. So let's just go ahead and get started and see what we can get completed. Okay, first things first is to open this package, so let's do that first. I'm so excited. I feel like it's like Christmas. Every time I get a package, I don't care what it's about, I feel like it's Christmas. So let's use the big scissors. Okay. This ink better be in here. That's all I gotta say. After getting delayed 2 times, going to the store, all the things. Okay. I did buy some storage stuff. Business / personal. My ink! So the ink is here, so you know what that means. It's time to get down to business and finally print these labels. I have a couple of size labels, so today I'm just kind of testing it out to see what size and what design. If you didn't see from the last episode, I did ask you guys which one did you prefer, label 1, 2, or 3. So I kind of want to print all of them and just see the vibe, how it looks, you know, next to the other products, next to the acrylic powder and all of that. So let's go ahead and get started. So right now I'm just refilling the ink in the printer. As you can see, it was pretty easy to do. I didn't really run into any complications with it. I know you saw in the last video that I said the same thing. It's not really that hard to refill the ink in the printer. I was, however, a little upset, as you saw in the last video, that I did have to use the specific HP ink for this particular printer, which in hindsight, if I would have just done it from the beginning, no harm, no foul, but it's just a little bit restricting. So I did end up looking up like other good printers for small businesses, just in case, you know, eventually if I want to switch it out. The HP printers did come up as like one of the best for small businesses. They range from like the high 200s to like the $400 range. But I also saw Epson and Canon. I'm not sure if Epson and Canon require the specific ink like the HP one does. So if you guys have an Epson or a Canon or any other printer, to be honest, that you have for your small business or just for your in-home office, please leave a comment below and let me know if you like it and what's the brand, the model, like price range and all that. So now I'm just showing what it looks like when I, put the mock-up on my computer, and then ultimately when I printed it out with the new ink of me. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to see. I did ultimately like how they looked when I printed them out, and then I attached them to the bottles, and I was really feeling it, y'all. I'm like, okay, I'm seeing the vision come to life, and I absolutely love it. I might do a couple more samples, but so far I'm really digging it. So let me know in the comments which one is your fave. And as promised to myself, I did finish most of my work, so I did reward myself by playing in a little acrylic. So now you just see me having a little dance party. In between this, I was taking, shots for thumbnails for my YouTube channel, and also just, having a good time, vibing out a little bit. But can we have an honest moment real quick? Being an entrepreneur is so hard, especially when you have a 9-to-5. So if y'all have any comments or any suggestions of how you're staying afloat, how you're staying on task, please drop them in the comments, because your girl is struggling. But I love it here and I want to keep going, but I just need a little bit of positive motivation. So if you have it, please leave a comment below. After the dance party, it was time to eat some dinner. I'm trying to be healthy. Your girl is trying to be healthy. So we had salmon, rice, and broccoli. Drop a comment below if that's your jam. Labels are done, and now let's go ahead and head to the storage unit.
2,000 years later.
Y'all are here because y'all are family. So before I show you this, please do not judge my mess, okay?